Thank you very much for joining me for Amazon Sellers Breaking News on Tuesday, October 1st, 2019. We're going to end this broadcast by talking about blocked accounts because we had a flurry of calls yesterday about sellers suddenly locked out of their accounts with no idea why. So please stay with me to the end. Okay, first breaking news story. Intellectual property right complaints continue to roll in. They are absolutely exploding. It's probably 2 or 3 times as big as last year, 2 or 3 times as many complaints are rolling in against third-party sellers. Big, giant, well-known brands like Kenmore, even though Sears is basically gone out of business. They must have sold off Kenmore. Multiple health and beauty brands have been making just tons and tons of complaints. Vorys is sending out tons of complaints. Private label sellers are also protecting their brands, which they should do. So if you're a third-party seller selling other brands, watch yourself. Make sure you're not getting involved in brands that are starting to make huge numbers of complaints. If you are a private label seller, get your trademark from USPTO.gov or buy an ongoing business that has a trademark. We recommend Empire Flippers. Also get brand registry and protect your sales. So big brands, small brands, and private label brands are all engaging in IP complaints, all protecting their sales. Second breaking news story is when big brands or medium-sized brands have absolutely nothing on the seller, then they make counterfeit complaints. If you have never sold or delivered the product because you just jumped on the listing and you're a drop shipper, or you are certain that your products are 100% genuine, then you did not sell any counterfeit products. Either you didn't deliver anything, or you sold genuine products, and that complaint is absolutely baseless, and you have tremendous leverage to get that complaint retracted. Third breaking news story today. Business verification had been huge, absolutely huge during the summer. Then those types of cases died down, and we just started seeing yesterday a flurry of calls coming in. If you are opening up a new Amazon account, or you recently opened up your new Amazon account, make sure you have all your documents in order, your silly utility bill, a lease, credit card information, an address, a website, a domain. Try and make everything match. If you're an ongoing seller, the new terms of service requires you to also have the same documents available for Amazon to verify your business. So experienced sellers, new sellers alike, keep your documents at the ready to submit to Amazon. And if you want to learn more about the new TOS, search our YouTube channel. We have a whole series of videos on the new TOS, the terms of service, your new contract with Amazon. Fourth breaking news story, used sold as new suspensions are back. We've only seen these coming in for listing suspensions, not account suspensions over the last couple of days, that your packaging looks exactly like what a consumer would receive at a brick and mortar store. It's absolutely vital to avoid used sold as new complaints. October 10th online, you don't need to travel anywhere. The Seller Labs Online Summit. Seller Labs Online Summit, October 10th. October 15th in Delhi, India. Learn how to source in India rather than China. Diversify where you get your products from. Avoid the extra tariffs and the Trump versus China trade war. And October 27 through 29 is Global Sources in Hong Kong. If you go to Global Sources, you're going to learn from a tremendous collection of speakers, and you can also source in the very same building without ever leaving the Hong Kong airport. Last but not least, October 16th through the 19th, Ecom Chicago. Ecom Chicago is one of the warmest, best events in the United States I have ever had the pleasure of attending. You will get to know fantastic speakers. You will get to know fantastic sellers, and the camaraderie and the inspiration is just, it's second to none at Ecom Chicago. Blocked accounts where the seller doesn't know why. We are getting more and more calls, chats, and emails to our website, AmazonSellersLawyer.com, from sellers who are suddenly unable to log in. We have seen this problem about every year or so, every 18 months, where accounts have been hacked and the money gets transferred to Croatia or some other place. Hacked accounts could cause you to be locked out. We've also seen it where Amazon is accusing the seller of fraud, and these cases you don't find out what the fraud is until you bring Amazon to arbitration. If you want to learn more about arbitration, go to our website, search arbitration. But we've certainly seen Amazon accuse sellers of fraud and then just lock them out of the account without telling them why. We've seen it for listing errors that were just across the board. And we've also seen it when Amazon has caught you with related accounts. Most related account suspensions, you will receive the email, but we have seen sellers locked out of their accounts when Amazon has linked their accounts to others, usually multiple others. Okay, so how do you address when you cannot log in at all? We generally will send a generic plan of action to Amazon and watch what comes back. Okay? And that's where you can't figure it out. That's where your deep dive investigation leads you absolutely no place. Then you send a generic plan of action just to see if Amazon then identifies what the reason is. Okay, that is the breaking news for today. And I have a call of action for every single seller that is watching Amazon Sellers News. Go to our YouTube channel and watch our videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you are watching this on YouTube, just click that button, subscribe. Click the button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and every single time we update it with a video, you'll get an alert. Okay, that's Amazon Sellers Breaking News for today, Tuesday, October 1st, 2019. Good luck selling, good luck in Q4, and join me again tomorrow for Amazon Sellers Breaking News.